Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today, we have another Coach haul unbagging. So, y'all, I have shared this in my previous video. This was a what Coach calls a small wristlet in the signature denim. This is the retail piece and it has the silver hardware. I only have had one particular bag that matches this. So, and I shared on my community post, y'all, some what I'm gonna unwrap. It went on sale on the Coach outlet website on the retail side. So I had to gather the other accessories one by one because the print has been out for so long, so it's so hard to find. And if you all are watching and you are not subscribed, feel free to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are made aware each time that I upload a video. Thank you so much to all of my returning subscribers and viewers. I really do appreciate you all. But I had to hunt down each piece separately. So this is the card case in the same print. This is the code information for it. And like I said, I had to hunt down these pieces, y'all. So, of course, I already had this one. I think I found this one last. And then this one I found before the card case. And I had to like unwrap and see and make sure, y'all, because like I said, they had been out for a while. And with me receiving each piece one by one and kind of staggered, I did want to look at this one first. And so this is the Tabby wallet in the same print. That should give you a big hint on what I'm going to unwrap next. This is the information for it here. I think these came out early last year, around the same time that the signature denim was released on the outlet side in early January. So I believe this has about 10 card slots total. A zipper compartment here on the inside. And then a place for the bills. No outside compartments. But I believe this is a very, very cute wallet. And I think that's a cute set. So, to get to what I was trying to match, y'all, and I did match it, is this Tabby here. So, I did share this on my community post that it went on sale and that it also restocked as well. So they had it posted twice, I believe. And if you've ordered from the retail side on the outlet website before, then you know that usually it doesn't come fully factory wrapped. So more than likely it's like a return or maybe like a item that they had in store and they moved it over to the outlet side to sell. So I guess that is the style number there for it. Deep blue multi with the light hardware. Same information there. And I showed the code for the Tabby as well, the wallet. And this is it again here. CA918 if y'all can't see that. And this is, again, this is the 30. The Tabby 30. They have a 3 there, but it is a 30. I saw both. I believe they restocked the regular Tabby in the signature denim on the outlet, on the retail side, or last chance, I believe is what it's called. Retail last chance. And they stocked the 30. I did want the 30, and this is the chain Tabby. So you see it has the strap and all of this that I need to unwrap. I wanted the 30 because I have a smaller Tabby in the signature denim with the gold hardware. So I did want one in a larger size. So I was very, very surprised to see this pop up and for that low price. So I guess they're clearing out the rest that they had remaining. And this is the beautiful chain for it. It does have Coach on the hardware there, if you all can see that. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on the bag. Hopefully it won't tip over because this chain is pretty heavy, y'all. And then the strap, I got to keep up with this because this usually gets away from me, and then I find it when I'm going through picking up all the tissue from unwrapping the bags. And comment below, you all, let me know if you all have this particular signature denim in your collection, or if you were not a fan of it because of the silver hardware, or if you are a fan of it because of the silver hardware. Comment and let me know. So this is the longer shoulder strap or crossbody strap. It does have Coach on the hardware here. And it is adjustable. I don't think I'm going to put this one on here since it's so long. But I'll undo the shoulder strap and put it on because it's shorter. And then we can go ahead and take a look on the inside. And out of all of the prints, y'all, let me know which one y'all like. The retail silver, the retail with the gold hardware, or the outlet with the gold hardware, or the most recent denim drop from the outlet, which is a lighter wash. And then the most recent, that's not a signature denim, but it's just the Love denim. Let me know which one is you all's favorite out of all of those that have dropped within like the last, I guess it's going on 2 years or a year. So this one does have a dust bag in here. Perfect size. Oh, I did not bring my regular Tabby in here just to do a side by side so you all can see the difference in the 30 compared to the regular Tabby. I think the regular size is called a shoulder, just a shoulder bag. So inside, nothing on the back. There's a snap pocket here on the back side of the divider slip, and this pocket does have a snap button, and then just open here in the front. So no zippers on the inside. There is a zipper on the back. It goes all the way to the bottom. As far as what's left in the 30 now on the Coach retail website, I believe they have just the black and the chalk in this particular size. But I think this is a very good size and a gorgeous bag with this combination of the silver hardware. I am going to go ahead and compare this to my regular Tabby, regular size Tabby, so I'll do that now. Okay, so I am going to do a size comparison with the regular Tabby and the Tabby 26. But I wanted to show you all just in case. I know I have some newer subscribers. If you didn't see my previous video, the strap on the shoulder strap on the Tabbies fall a little short depending on the person. So if you do want to extend the length of the strap, you can take your regular charm and attach it to the key loop here, and attach the ring to the actual bag, and that will give you some extension on the length of the strap. So that's a pretty big difference to go from just here and have that much more of a shoulder drop. If you need more of a shoulder drop, you can do the same thing on this side as well. I would probably just carry my Tabby charm just here by itself, but like I said, you can do the same thing on this side. And that way you'll have an even longer shoulder drop and still able to carry your charms as well. So let me go ahead and just do a stack comparison of the 30 compared to the 26. So you can see the length difference in the 26 there. Of course, there's a difference in the height. The chain Tabby 26 is a shorter bag. And then the length difference on the regular shoulder Tabby compared to the 30. You can see the difference there on the end as well. And then if I can do all three, you can see the difference in the length. The length of the 26 is almost the same as the regular, but you can see the 30 is longer than both. And then the heights of all three, with the Tabby 26 falling the shortest, it looks like, between the three. And then just to show my complete set of the retail signature denim with the silver hardware, I will show you the bag that started it all. I think I got the wristlet first, and then I got the bag next, because I kept myself from getting the regular Tabby in this when it actually came out, because I had the Tabby with the gold hardware. But y'all know how I like going over to the men's side to look for goodies over there. And the Wesley tote was the first bag that I got in this particular print. And it's a pretty large bag, so I hope I can get it all in frame for you all. Let's see. Like I said, it's a pretty large bag, so that's a look at it from top to bottom. But just to put it with the Tabby 30. And then the small wristlet. And then the Tabby wallet. And then the card case. I think that's a very, very pretty set, y'all. So I am done with the signature denim with the silver hardware. I don't know if they would re-release any new. Knowing Coach, they probably will. And make it a lighter wash. I would not be surprised, because now on the men's side, they do have the Love Denim with the lighter wash, and it has silver hardware. But the straps on everything, I believe, is black instead of the blue. So let me know what you all think. If you all like this collection, like I said, which collection is your favorite? I look forward to reading you all's comments. And also, as far as the size, if you prefer the 30, the 26, or the regular size Tabby, let me know. Put it in the comments. And also, if you prefer the Tabby wallet, or I believe there was a different wallet in this print as well, I'm not sure. And if you have any of these pieces, feel free to let me know. If you have the Wesley tote, the Tabby, or the wristlet, or the wallet, or card case. I keep wanting to call it a coin case, I guess because I'm looking at the zipper part. But the card case in this print. Let me know in the comments, y'all. But thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day as always, and trust in God and keep God first, and you will never be disappointed. And I will see you all in the next video.